all seem to really enjoy when I do unboxings with you, so we're going to do that today. I'm Andy and welcome back to my channel. Let's take a look at this brand new style from Belle Tress. This is from the Luxe SE collection. This is Elsa and I'm going to show it to you in brown sugar cookie R. I partner with TL Wigs and I want to thank them for sending me Elsa so I can give you all the information that you're going to need to know about it so you can make a well-informed decision as to whether or not you'd like to get yourself one. TL Wigs is a wonderful, trustworthy online retailer. They also have a very active and a private Facebook support group that we invite you to join. And let me stress again that it is a private Facebook support group. So you're not going to be exposed for being in a wig group in any way, shape, or form. It is a private Facebook support group titled TL Wigs Support, Inspiration, and Education. You're going to be able to connect with over 5,000 people on that Facebook support group. You'll also hear about all the sales and giveaways that TL Wigs is having. I'm going to leave a link to that Facebook support group down in the description box below, and we hope to see you there. And also, after you get all the information about Elsa and you'd like to get yourself one, you can go down in that description box below and I will have a link that will take you over to TL Wigs. You can use the code ANDI35 and save 35%. But it has been some time since I've done an unboxing, and so I thought it would be fun to get this brand new style out of the box with you, and I'm going to see it firsthand with you today. Maybe we can look at some different ways to style it, look at the color, and all the details about it. Something I really do enjoy about unboxings is I get to show you two styles instead of just one style in a video. So I am going to be reviewing one style, which is Elsa, but I also get to show you this beautiful style that I have on. And this is a style from Henry Margaux. This is Whisper, and this is in 1226 GR. I just recently reviewed this. I think this is such a beautiful style. It's at a great price point. Isn't this so pretty? It comes, I think, in like 25 different colors. And I will have a link to this down in the description box below. And the code for this one is going to be ANDI10 to save 10%. But this is a basic cap style with permatease, no monofilament features, no lace front. It's just a beautiful design with layers, some flips. I think it's just a very feminine style. You can pull it up with some pretty updos. And I'll also leave the link to my review of Whisper if you would like to watch that as well. But I thought because Brown Sugar Cookie R, which is what I'm reviewing today, and Elsa is a warm color, that I would also choose a warm color in a wig that I am going to have on before I do the unboxing. So 1226 GR is a beautiful warm color, but overall it's just a stunning style, as I think you can see with Whisper by Henry Margaux. So check the link down below if you'd like to look at the review for Whisper, and also the link will be down there for you as well. One of the questions I get asked the most on my videos is, what's that lipstick that you're wearing? And so I thought today I would share with you the lipstick that I have on. It's one of my very favorite shades. It is a Revlon lipstick, so you can get this at the drugstore. I will have it linked for you down in the description box below if you'd like to get yourself one. It is number 425, Soft Silver Red, and this is a pearl lipstick. So if you're a little bit afraid of a red lipstick, this is called Soft Silver Red with a pearl. And I'm just going to put it on here so you can see how pretty that is. I love this lipstick. It goes with a lot. Even though this is a pretty true red, I think it just blends in really nicely with this dress. So anyhow, if you're looking for a good red, you might want to look at Revlon Soft Silver Red. Without further ado, let's take a look at Belle Tress Elsa together. And we will take a look at the cap and look at this beautiful color. And also, we can do some styling together. But I want to show you what I do to get it to look the way I will enjoy it. So I'm just going to take the tags off here. So here I just turned it inside out so we can take a look at the cap together. We have an extended lace front that runs down and around the ear tabs. We have silicone covered ear tabs. So there is that extended lace front. We have a large monofilament top. We have a seamless monofilament top, so there is no seam connecting the lace front to that mono top. We also have a hand-tied cap. Isn't that pretty? You can see my fingers coming right through there. So it's going to give you the illusion of scalp all through there. All those fibers up here have been hand-tied. And then on the back, we do have some closed wefting that adds some stability and support to the cap. We have an extended nape, and we have Velcro adjusters. I'm going to have my Velcro adjusters pulled with a 21 1/4 inch head circumference. I'm going to pull them about an inch apart. And let's see how this fits me. I will let you know if I need to make any adjustments. So here is where I have my Velcro adjusters pulled. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn it right side out. I'm going to take it by the nape and I'm going to shake it several times. Never want to shake by the lace, always by the nape. So I'm going to shake it and then I'm going to rake the fibers away from the cap. I go all the way from the nape to the front. Belle Tress wigs are typically low density wigs. So if you're somebody that enjoys low density styles, I always suggest to look at Belle Tress and also Ellen Villa. But sometimes Belle Tress styles can be on the higher end of low density. So let me take off Whisper and we will put Elsa on together and see what we think. So I'm going to aim for the middle of my forehead here. Stretch the nape down over my occipital bone. Give it a good flip, and then I'm going to adjust that lace here. Let's look at that lace front. Very well done. Belle Tress does such a nice job with their lace fronts. Again, it runs down and around the ear tabs. So I'm going to adjust those ear tabs here, bend them in just a little bit. And I will say that this is just a little bit light on my skin tone. I will probably trim that up to blend it in a little better with my skin tone. You can always use a little bit of makeup to blend it into your skin tone. So here is Elsa straight from the box. Let me spin around so you can see it. You can see it has some layers in it, very soft, kind of choppy waves in it. But this is, in my opinion, a low density style. I feel no permatease on this style at all. Of course, the permatease would only be on the closed wefted part if there were any, but I don't feel any. And the cap feels very secure on my head with a 21 1/4 inch head circumference, so I'm not going to make any adjustments with the cap. Now you might know that my preference on a wig is a medium density wig. I'm not a low density gal. I like permatease, volume, and curls. So we're not going to have any permatease on this, and I'm not going to be able to get a lot of volume on this. I am going to get in at the roots and kind of give it a little bit of a swirl and a pinch around the cap just to see if I can get some volume in there, but it's not going to be sustained because there's not any permatease on it. So I will just see if I can pump up a little bit of volume because of the layers in it and the waves in it. And I do want to show you this monofilament top. I did break that zigzag part up. Anywhere you part on the top, it will look just like your scalp. So if you're a right side parter, a full monofilament top is a great option for you. But look how pretty these fibers move. Very naturally. So if you're someone that really enjoys a bang, you can definitely cut a shorter bang in Elsa. That would be very easy to do in this style. But for me, I would trim the lace front. I would put some heat down in the cap and let those fibers cool upside down, and that would give me volume. And then also I would probably add some heat up here to lift these front pieces up and off my forehead, because that's the way I like my styles. And I love a chin length or above heat-friendly style. Now this is not a chin length. You can see it's a little longer than chin length. It just skims my shoulders. But I really like this length on a heat-friendly style because you're not going to be getting the friction points on your clothes. You're not going to be getting so much of the tangling on the fibers. These fibers are very soft. Let me get in so you can see how pretty they move. I think this would also be pretty as a center part. So let's try to put Elsa in the center and see what she does. And while it's here in the center part, it is reminding me of another Belle Tress style that I have reviewed. And it's a really popular style for Belle Tress. It's called Tribeca. So I'm going to put a picture of me wearing Tribeca and see what you think, because I believe Tribeca just comes as a center part. Don't quote me on that. But I do think if you're someone that enjoys the style Tribeca, but you want a mostly hand-tied cap, you might want to look at Belle Tress Elsa. I pulled my laptop out because I wanted to look the measurements up for Tribeca compared to Elsa. And those measurements are very similar. So again, if you're somebody that likes Tribeca, I really do think that you might want to look at Elsa. This is a Luxe SE cap compared to a City cap, and you're going to get different colors. So in every collection, they have specific colors. So if you're someone that loves brown sugar cookie, or, well, you might want to look at a Luxe SE cap, or if you're somebody that likes Tribeca, you might want to look at Elsa. Something I always do, and I actually forgot to do it when I got it out of the box, I always spray my wigs with just a little bit of water. So that does help with flyaways. Not that this is loaded with flyaways, but it does just kind of help you see the style a little better. Helps you break those fibers up. But let's take a look at the Belle Tress stock photo for Elsa, so you can see what it looks like on the Belle Tress model compared to what it looks like on me. You can see it's a very low density style, but don't forget, if you are somebody like me that enjoys volume on your wigs, you can add volume if it's a heat friendly style by just taking a hairdryer down inside that cap, moving it around for a few seconds, letting those fibers cool upside down, and I guarantee you, you are going to get some major volume on your wigs if you do that. But I am not going to get a ton of volume in Elsa just by using my fingers and kind of doing the swirl and pinch like I can on a style that has permatease and a lot of fiber. As far as the measurements go for Elsa, we have a side bang of 6 inches. The sides are 8 to 12 inches. The nape is 4 inches. Overall, Elsa is 8 to 12 inches. And Elsa weighs 3.4 ounces. Elsa comes in 11 colors, and today let's talk about this absolutely gorgeous warm blonde color. So a mix of a brown and a blonde. Isn't this so pretty? It is rooted and highlighted, so we have a medium brown root, but it does look like I just went to the beach and got some sun on my hair and some natural highlights from the sun. So it does have a little bit of a sun-kissed glow on it. Let me get in a little closer so you can see this. But it does have a golden brown base with honey and toffee highlights in it. But it also has a 613 in it, which is a platinum. So that does kind of brighten it up a little bit. But just a very natural blonde color, don't you think? And if you don't know, in my own biological hair, my biological hair has always been almost black. So for me, this is a color that I would really enjoy. I think it is so pretty. And now let's take a look at this in some outdoor lighting. Here's one last look of Elsa from all the way around. You can just see it is a choppy, layered, beautiful style here. Low density, very realistic. And if you want to get yourself one, just go down in the description box below. There will be a link that will take you over to tlwigs.com. You can use the code ANDI35 and save yourself 35%. Thanks for joining me today for the unboxing of Elsa. I'm glad that you came along. I hope it helped you if you have been considering and looking at Elsa. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.